Hi Leo, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs for the month of March 2021. Leo, this is a general reading. Please don't be disheartened if it doesn't resonate with you. Check out the other signs in your natal charts. I keep uploading sign specific readings on my channel. Too many cards, I'm not going to pick them up. Leo, I am sensing a lot of stubbornness right now. Stubbornness and rigidity. It's getting difficult to shuffle your cards because they're stuck to each other. Yeah, look at this, look at this. Okay. The card at the bottom of the deck, Leo, is the Page of Swords. Okay. Leo, you are... Right now what I'm feeling inside is... people are irritated with you, Leo. That's what it is. You are irritating people because of your rigidity, because of your bad habit of living in denial. Look at these cards. I mean, you are stuck mentally. You need to release things. You are holding on to people's actions from the past and blocking your manifestations. There could be somebody from your past who you gave your all to, and they were this sneaky, flaky person who just took and never gave anything back. So, yeah. But you're holding on to that. You're holding on to it so tightly. You don't want to let go of that person, that memory, that experience. I'm not saying that. These are the cards that you and your higher self help me pull out for you. This is not me. This is you. You're cutting everybody off. You're cutting everyone off who wants to show you the right path, who tries to tell you that probably you're on the wrong path. You want to cut them. You want to cut them. You've got so many swords in your reading. Why? Look at this. Struggle. Mental struggle. Even if somebody wants to offer you help, you cut them. Other people are seeing you being rigid and holding on to things that are burning you, blocking your manifestations, but you just don't want to give in. You just don't want to release things. Why? You feel that somebody from your past will make an effort and everything will be okay. Probably you're waiting for a closure. The person will not come back, may not come back. You need to pick yourself up. If you keep waiting for something to happen, you're just acting as a blockage. Once you've set your intention, once you've made a wish, let the universe work towards it, and help you manifest it. If you keep going back and checking, when you cook, if you keep opening the lid again and again, aren't you going to make the entire process slower? If something needs to be steamed, you're going to open the lid again and again. Of course, the process is going to become slower, right? It's not going to steam at the correct pace. That's what's happening here. You've lit the gas, you set an intention to make something, some steamed vegetables. You can't keep opening the oven or the microwave or the gas, the non-stick pan, wherever you're steaming the vegetables, and checking if they're done or not. Other people are getting irritated with you. That's what I'm seeing here. And then you feel burdened because, oh, suddenly nobody understands me. But you don't understand when people want to tell you something, when they want to show you a bigger picture, when they want to show you the right path. Because I see good things coming your way, new beginnings, wishes coming true, love, people who want to become a mother, that, they will be able to conceive. But you need to release certain things from the past, certain habits, certain thought processes. Until you don't open your palms and release them, you're going to be a blockage in your own manifestations. So you decide, Leo. People want to talk to you, tell you where you're going wrong, but you're not ready to listen. You shut them up, you're rude to them, or you just live in denial. That is what I'm seeing here. Your father could be important to you in guiding you. They want to offer you help, but I think this attitude of yours is pushing that help away. New beginnings are coming when it comes to work for somebody, some of you. Lot of new beginnings are coming your way. But don't look away from your manifestations. You need to let go. You need to let the universe work its magic and bring what you want at your doorstep into your life. You could be dealing with a Libra person. If you're facing some legal issues, rest assured the verdict is going to be in your favor, guys. Concentrate on inner work. Concentrate on becoming a better person. See what others are trying to tell you. Keep your pride aside. And have patience. You just want everything to happen right now. It doesn't happen right now. Can't. Good things take time. And by being frustrated and attaching yourself too much to the outcome, you're just going to delay the process. So please. It is a bit irritating to deal with people who are not ready to understand. You need to get out of the way. You're standing in the way of your manifestations, Leo. Numbers 14, 3, 4, 2, 6, 8, 10, 9, 4, 4 I already mentioned, are important. So pay attention to those. Now let's see some extra messages for Leo. Now these messages may or may not be directly related to your tarot. 27 and 7 could be important. You could get a letter, could be a legal letter, or a call, text message, SMS, DMs, anything. Somebody wants to communicate with you. But are you willing to communicate? Are you willing to receive? You're not. You're too held on to the past. Don't worry, it's all going to be fine. Relax. Everything is okay. Don't be feverish, Leo. Detach yourself from the outcome. I'm saying it again and again because those are the messages that are just screaming out of your cars. You've done this before. The soul knows what to do, okay? The soul chose this life because they already know what is going to happen next. So don't put your brains to it. Calm down. Remain positive. Things will settle down in the near future. Don't worry. Amplify your positive emotions. Remain positive. Number 7 is here again. Probably 7th of March for some of you. A new start is coming. Win-win outcome is forecast. Libra could be important to you. Step out of your comfort zone. Believe in the impossible, and your commitment is being tested. You've got one new moon and one full moon. When I am in alignment with the love of the universe, peace cannot be disrupted. But you need to trust the universe as well. Have fun, just take your mind off whatever is bothering you. Because the more you put your mind to things that you don't like, the more you're magnifying those things. Take the power away from them to make you feel sad, okay? This is a jade crystal for you, Leo, so that you can get all the calmness that you are so ignorantly denying that you need, okay? You need to relax, you need to calm down, and you need to let go. If something is burning your hand, you don't keep holding it, right? You let go of it, and then you balm the burns, you put medicine, you cool your hand, you heal yourself. You don't keep holding it. Oh, it's burning me, but I still want to hold on to it because why not? Because my pride is at stake. Because I'm a Leo and that's about it. No, guys, calm down. Just calm down. I hope this message makes sense to you, and I hope those who are irritated with your energies find a way to release that emotion as well, and all of you remain happy. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.